Not all final expense life insurance is the same. There are three different tiers of coverage, and knowing which one you have can protect your family from serious surprises later on. The first tier is the most basic level of coverage. It's called modified coverage, sometimes also referred to as a 2-year waiting period policy or guaranteed issue. Now, these ads are mailed to seniors all the time with a lot of the big name companies that we all recognize. This is the tier that most people are already familiar with, even if they don't know it by name. Now, it's called modified coverage because the policy is set up so that the full death benefit is not paid until the 3rd year. It's often advertised with postcards and letters that say things like no medical questions, where you simply fill out the form, mail it back, and a policy is issued automatically. Now, this type of coverage does have its place, but here's the problem. I see a lot of folks who have a modified policy, again, meaning they have a 2-year wait, but they think they have a higher level of coverage. They didn't realize that they qualified for higher tiers of coverage because nobody told them. That's why it's super important to understand what type of final expense coverage you actually have and whether it's really the only option that's available to you. Again, this is the first tier of 3, and the reason the coverage is the lowest of all 3 is because it is modified. Again, meaning that there's a waiting period. In the next video, I'm going to explain the second level of final expense coverage. The middle tier is the one that's most often misunderstood, and I hope to see you there.